Vaxee, oh, give me some of that Vaxee. I just want Vaxee, a Vaxee mouse pad, 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 pad. I just want Vaxee mouse pads up on my desk. I just want Vaxee mouse pads on my desk. I like that PC and the PD. I like that Vaxee up on my desk. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Vaxee pads to open today. Oh, I want more Vaxee pads while I like to play. Who gonna open them for you? And this is what I say. Oh, Vaxee, you make my day. Okay, FragWatch here. You opening some Vaxee pads today. Some of these are really fucking huge. We're going to do our best not to spill my Red Bull or other shit. I'm going to move some stuff here. Sorry. Okay, let's get this going. Here we go. And here we go now. We got this Vaxee. This is the PEK. I got like the 151. Here, we got the PEK GEH pink edges. Whatever the fuck that means. 151 PD blue. The 155 blue PD. The 151 PD blue. What the fuck? Are these like molten edges and not? Then the PD 140 in pink. Let's start with this PEK, okay? It's supposed to be their slowest pad. So it comes in nondescript cardboard box, or flat packed. It's flat packed. Pull tab. Let's get her open. My setup is not really set up for unboxing gigantic mouse pads. And I'd rather spend my time on reviews and reviewing things than fancy camera angles. Just my preference, you know. If you guys don't like it, fuck off. If you do, then you want real information real quick. You like it coming at you raw, unedited, unfiltered. I buy all my products on my own because I have no brain probably. I don't know. Keeps my reviews fucking fair and honest. I don't get shit for free. When I do, I tell you, and there's been only like 4 products out of what, like 150 or 200 now. All right, this is the PEK. Damn, this thing is gigantic. Okay, this thing's bigger than my CR. Man, I don't. It's hanging off my desk by 3 inches. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's see how glass skates feel on it. I got glass skates on a Ponage Stormbreaker. That makes so much noise. It sounds like I'm scratching vinyl. I bet this is actually made maybe of like some this. They weave this different. Feels like they're supposed to have the same fabric. This feels slower for sure. Let's get the Juan with dot, or the not the Juan, the Ying dot skates on it. Okay, let's get the Lamzu Inca full skates. Damn, that feels really smooth actually. That feels nice. Not sure how I feel about this shade of pink, but it's a shade of pink. Okay, moving on. We got the PD 155 in blue. This is like this pink one has stitched edges, and they are rough, really rough, not pleasurable to the touch. Okay, opening this next one up. Same flat packed cardboard box. We'll get there. All right. It comes in like a black, kind of felty, like, I don't know, a black sleeve that's made of fabric. I guess that's nicer than plastic because I can reuse this and sell it if need be. Probably is to keep the backing on this fresh and new. Oh, damn, that's really pretty. How about that? Oh, man. Oh, these molten edges are sweet. Holy shit. Wow. Okay. This feels like a PD. Oh man, I like this size. It's really small compared to like everything else. That feels nice. I like this shade. This molten edge is just so cool. I love the way that feels. Wow. Man, that feels better than my original PD. Let's keep opening them. Okay, we got the 151 now in blue. This looks like I got a bigger size for this one. We'll open her up. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I swear to God, I hate these pull tab things. Slow and easy wins the race, right? Winning the race wins the race. Okay. Same sleeve situation. I'm just gonna get it on my desk for you guys. No need to waste. No need to waste any more of your time. I got a Vaxee mouse pad, might be divine. Woo! Okay, this is a lot larger. This is the 151. I'm gonna put them right here. I can give a little preview of oh man, that feels way faster. Holy shit. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Okay, what about glass? Oh man, okay. Okay, all right. It's a 151. I got this in large. Here, let me change this around here for y'all, so you can see the size difference. Oh man, is this even gonna fit on my fucking desk? Okay, the Stormbreaker. The fuck, get that out of here. Get that up on the corner there. We're just plowing everything. These weigh so much. This is okay. That's sticking so well I can't even fucking scoot it. The 151 is underneath. This is like their large size. Man, these are cool. These are such high quality. I'm excited. Okay. We got one more coming at you. We got the 140 in pink. PD. The PD plus. Were these other ones pluses? It doesn't matter. Okay, this is the 140 PD plus. Whatever that means. I'll have to get my original PD out in PC. I can show you guys, or I can compare them. Oh my god. Okay. Holy shit. Man, these weigh more than a glass pad. Probably. I don't even think that's a spec they put on there. The weight of mouse pads. This thing is it's a thick boy. It's chonky, man. It's got some heft to it. I was gonna say I'd bring it to a knife fight, but I'd fucking die, so I probably wouldn't. What the fuck is this backing? Is this what all of them have? Yeah. This is okay. I feel like I went to Home Depot and got. Wow, this feels slow. Is this supposed to, I thought the 40 was supposed to be faster. This is the slowest by far. It feels really good. Holy shit. Wow. All right. That's the unboxing of those. Yeah. I'm very excited for these. Okay, that's the Vaxee PD plus 140, the Vaxee PD plus 151, the PD 155. So that one's not a plus, and the Vaxee PEK GHB. I don't fucking know. Whatever. That's what we got. Testing them. Coming at you live. FragWatch here. Out. Thank you for watching so much. I really appreciate you guys. If I can find my mouse cursor, this video will end. It's really great. Okay. Oh yeah, and check out. I got a new knife here. It's like very nice. First time playing with it. I'll get better with it. Catch you guys in the next one.